Wait.
One barrel, see there.
Hey guys, well, let's see here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're doing hook and line fishing today. I am with Miss James and her family. Remember the same Miss James we did the Irish Mush video? The same Miss James with that Lucy herb tour video. Yes, the herb tour video. Same Miss James. So I'm here with her and her family and we're gonna do hook and line fishing today. First time for me. I'm looking forward to that. Beautiful Lucy. We're at Fort Charlotte. You can see, if you look in the distance, you'll see the cannons at Fort Charlotte in Lucea, Hanover. The sun is going down. I'm going to share a little bit of that with you now. It's beautiful. Look at that. That's a sunset, guys. That's a sunset. That's a sunset going down. It's amazingly beautiful here. Fort Charlotte in Lucea, Hanover. Remember though, if you're new here, meaning you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos capturing these stuff I call the real Jamaican. I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. That way you'll see updated on all my latest videos. Let's go! Alright, so Jamesy, this is the line. This is the line, guys. And what is this now? What is this?
The lead. That I bait.
This is a bait. Alright, you call this a bait. Now this is actually, what bait is this, Miss James?
Shrimp.
Shrimp. Alright, let me get this in focus here, guys. Alright. Alright, that's a shrimp bait. That's a shrimp bait, and then this is supposedly the lead. So what you need, it's a tutorial we're doing now, you know, Miss James. Just teaching people how to do hook and line fishing.
So without the lead at the bottom, it now go sink.
So you need
go carry in the back.
Okay.
If you put the lead at the top,
yeah,
you barely feel when they get picked. So you put the lead at the bottom, and then put the hook at the top.
Yeah.
So as the fish touch you, you feel.
Alright, so let me go again. So this is a line, a fish line, a thin fish line. I'm not sure the dimensions. But
About
it's a fish.
25 pound or 30 pound.
Okay, alright. And then guys, this is the bait, we call it, and then this is the lead to keep it
in the water.
keep it down, right?
Yeah.
Alright, good. And then how long is this card, Miss?
Very long.
Very long. Alright, so just to put this into perspective, guys, this again is, we're at Fort Charlotte overlooking the town of Lucea. Beautiful. Where you're seeing it, what you're seeing in the background, in the, what's that, the foreground or the background? What you're seeing, whatever that is, it's the Grand Palladium Hotel. The Grand Palladium Hotel, alright? This is the sea, the ocean.
The harbor.
The harbor, Lucea Harbor. That's that. Whoa. All right. So this is where, again, for some history, this is a Fort Charlotte. This is where the cannons were, where they used to, where all the army would come and try to protect the city. So anyway, this is the harbor, and this is where all the good fish, all the big fish are. Should I say fishes or fish? Big fishes are. Alright? And Miss James is gonna throw her Miss James is gonna throw her fish line into, alright, all the way. We can't see it now, but it's out there. It's out there. And she has the hook in her hand. Sorry, the line. Sorry, thank you. Thank you, Bisha. I'm watching the. Let's see. I'm not sure if we'll be able to see the line, but I'm not sure if the camera will be able to pick it up from this distance. But we're waiting patiently. All right, we're waiting. We're waiting for the pick. Waiting for the pick.
Remember, say pick come suddenly, you know. I just one.
All right, so we're.
You see that, sir?
Yeah, all right, guys. We're getting a pick. We're getting a pick, guys. We're getting a pick. This is the exciting part. All right. So when do you know? When should you
feel it? They're running.
When you see it running?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So they'll pull. So the fish will pull.
You feel like him bait it. No.
Okay. Bait it meaning him just do a
just
taste.
a couple drag and gone with the bait.
Okay. All right. So now you have to pull it up again and start all over. You're gonna check the bait. So we're gonna check the bait now. Alright, so we're pulling back up the wire.
You want the you know you want
Have one here, left, right, right.
You see him, sir? Look.
I don't see it, I see it. Oh yes. It's coming, guys. We have a fish here. We have a fish. We have a fish. We got one. This is exciting. Oh yes. All right, so we have one. Nice. It's a yellowtail. Wow. Hold on, let me take a picture. I want to take a nice picture. This is a nice yellowtail one. All right, this one good for escovitch. Yeah? All right, good. So we have one, guys. We have a fish here. This is lovely, pretty. All right, more to come. Miss James is retooling again. All right, guys. And we have number 2 now, guys. Let's see, what type is this? Wenchman. What do you mean, Wenchman?
That's a name. I don't know what I mean.
All right, that's number 2, guys.
Watch out, one barrel. Sorry, I can't see him.
Wait.
One barrel, see him there.
Wait.
Right here, so.
Where?
See him right
there. Oh,
yes.
Wow, that's a huge one.
You look like say this thing come off, now.
Let's try to catch him. Put a big fish.
Sorry, we pull me off in the water.
Wow, that's a huge barracuda, guys. There's supposed to barracuda.
Bite on funny fish
Yeah.
I know me go find this.
You feel like on the line?
Yes. Are you all the line and see if they can carry me?
Okay.
Take time and carry me, but I make him bust the line. But the man no make it him.
Alright, guys, so we're getting another pick again. Let's see how this works out. More pick. Alright, so I'm picking, but I'm not.
Nah, pick up.
Not picking up.
Nah, pick the right.
Nah, pick the. Alright.
I'm gonna pick at this side.
Alright, so okay. Alright, so
on the line, right?
and again, alright. So guys, just to let you know, we bought some shrimp at the fish place. And this shrimp, about a quarter pound, this is what we use as the bait, or we're using as the bait. Not we, but Miss James using as the bait, right? So that's the shrimp we using, bits and pieces of a shrimp on the hook, on the line. Typical day, Miss James. How much fish, or how much pound, how much individual fish you can catch during a.
Me, I'll catch all on 10 fish or so, or more, depends. If the fish, like how fish they bite now, me catch all on 10 fish.
10 fish.
Or more.
Probably a 2 pound or so. 2-3 pounds. Okay.
And sometimes I catch big fish.
And like how long you got normally that?
Like, you can spend 3 hours.
3 hours? Okay. So you work there first?
Yeah, I like it, I enjoy it.
Yeah. It's really, well, I think I like it too. It's just really tranquil here. While I'm here, you know, I'm grabbing the opportunity to show you around the Fort Charlotte. Alright, this is the old structure. Alright, we're gonna go inside where the cannons are and just give you a little glimpse of what the old fort looks like. Alright, so going in, the entrance here. My first time here as well, so I'm learning. This is the entrance here. Going to, alright, so look at this. Quite interesting, right? Quite interesting. This is Fort Charlotte in Lucea, Hanover. It's getting a little bit dark, but there's no way I could come here and not show you, give you a little insight into what Fort Charlotte is. That's a big bird. Alright, so this is one of the cannons. So this is one of the cannons here. Alright, it's a huge one. Huge one. Alright, so Lando is accompanying me. It's James' son. Alright, need a picture up there. Pops. Take a picture, Pop. Alright, good. Alright. So this is Fort Charlotte, guys. For those of you interested in the history, all of the historical stuff, this is one here. So I'm seeing 1, 2, 3 cannons. 3 huge cannons. So this is one. This is one here. Alright, so my hand will represent to give an indication of what the size of it is. Alright, and this is 2. Coming down here. 2 here, yeah. This thing is probably about 12 feet. I'm figuring it's about 12 feet. 12 feet in length. And possibly the smallest end here is probably about a foot and a half diameter at the small end. Alright, this end here, from here to here, and this is the opening here. I think this is probably where the cannonball would come through, and at the top it's probably about up this side here. It's probably, I'm gonna guess that it's probably about 3 feet. It's probably about 3 feet, huh? Oh, yeah, probably. Yeah, this, yeah. Lando is pointing out something to me. These two appears to be a little different from that one. Charlotte, popular hangout spot, chill out spot apparently, and also a place where the locals come to do their fishing. That's Miss James and Misha way in the distance there over that side. Alright, so I'm back over our little fishing area. Getting a little dark, but yeah man, we have 2.
Oh.
3. Oh, you have 3. Alright, so we have 3 guys. Starting to get productive here. Alright. And Sir Glenn is back with the lead. Alright, so the purpose of the lead again is to
sink the line.
Sink the line.
And all the lines.
Very simple explanation. Sink the line.
Yes.
You tighten on the length and the.
Yes, on the line.
Just tighten the line. Alright.
Just to keep the bait steady in the water.
Alright, to keep the bait steady in the water. We see a big Barracuda in man.
Yes.
Yes, a big Barracuda. Big.
Long like his car like Lando.
Yeah, we can manage you. Alright guys, so what we're doing now, Sir Glenn, is what?
Tie the hook to the line.
Alright, so we got the, so we buy the hook separate.
Yes.
And okay. So that's a hook guys.
Yes.
Tie the hook.
Let's measure. Don't make it hook, yeah.
Oh, so you put is okay.
I can't forget it time I like one of them opening.
Oh, so you bring it all the way up. Oh yeah,
Yes. This is how we do it. Hold it measure. Yeah. See this way now the fish cannot break it.
Okay. So you cut off the end now?
Yes. Cut a knot.
Okay, good. Alright guys, so that's how you tie the line to the hook.
Yes.
First step.
Because if you tie it normal tie like or your normal tie like thread,
yeah,
when the fish pull upon the line goes squeeze upon another part of it.
Okay.
And cut.
Alright.
You understand?
Yes,
cut itself, line cut line.
Okay. Alright, and now we just cut off the extra piece.
Yeah man, and my brother them teach me fishing.
Alright.
Them a ocean fishing man.
Okay.
Them drift where go all of Mexico.
Okay.
Yeah,
cool.
me have 2 brothers drift where go all Mexico.
Uh-huh.
You see a man down, I should like, 2 years or I meet him, I build the boat them I sit down there.
Okay.
Alright, Misha, who is this?
Alright, and that's it. This is the
Sinker.
That's the lead. You call it the
Yes,
sinker.
Yes.
Alright. So
What they like now?
so the bait is.
Kind of pin on the
Alright.
sink on the hook.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, guys. So we're changing the bait. Alright. There you go. No picking.
You just reach bottom.
Alright, guys.
You know, drop off. Get the last one and the biggest one.
Last one and the biggest one. What a way to finish. Alright.
This one light on a Glenn.
Wow. That's the last one,
Glenn.
guys. Wow, nice one, nice one, nice. Huh?
They don't go and pull them up and after them pull them up and yes, you have to come now.
Wow. Alright guys, that's it, that's it, that's it. Closing.
Me have to
Just-
throw you out back.
just-
Can go wheel up the line. So me have to throw you out.
Just in time. Now what kind of fish is this?
Wenchman.
Wenchman.
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay.
Otherwise I call him Tommy.
Tommy.
Yes.
Alright, so that's the last one guys, a Wenchman. This one is about what? Half a pound? Half a pound. This is a Wenchman to close off things. I would love to hear from you. What do you make of our little adventure here? It's a little bit late. I'm getting later. And we didn't catch a whole lot of fish, but we had fun. We had enough fish
Tomorrow morning.
to make it fun.
Banana.
Banana.
Yeah man, I'm sitting next to fish.
Alright.
Wenchman.
Alright, nice. Yeah man, steam it. Steam it. Fish tea. Alright, I'm gonna make fish tea tomorrow guys. Fish tomorrow. Alright, so
Sunday morning.
Misha, how you stay over there? How much you catch? 2. Alright, alright. Coming to check on you. Alright guys, so this is our little haul.
Yeah.
We have what? 4,
3 Wenchman and 1 Yellowtail.
3 Wenchman and 1 Yellowtail.
Yes.
Alright, so we have enough for breakfast tomorrow. Fish tea for
Alright,
tomorrow.
fish tea, yeah, man.
Alright. So it was fun. I would love to hear from you guys. What do you think about our little adventure here at Fort Charlotte in Lucea, Hanover? We had a little fish adventure. Hook and line fishing.
When they come over
Foot-
here, they laugh like they
Fish,
can't come over there.
hook and line fishing. And we got a few Frenchman, Wenchman,
And Yellowtail.
and 1 Yellowtail. And of course, the star of the show is none other than Miss James again. She's the only one who seems to can catch crayfish and crayfish and fish. Right, nobody else does it like Miss
Me have
James.
one
Big up Miss
signal
James.
and Lando carry bag.
Big up Sir Glenn Nessa. Big up Misha. Pops. Big up Lando. Alright. The moon is coming up. It's getting a little late. Yeah, it's getting a little late. It's almost 8 o'clock now. You know, so we have enjoyed ourselves, guys. Right. Alright guys, so that's it. That's it. Our little fishing adventure here at Fort Charlotte in Lucea, Hanover. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment down below. What do you make of this? What do you make of a little haul here? What do you make of Miss James' skill? She's the only one who caught fish. Nobody else caught fish. Drop a comment down below. And remember, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I implore you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. We do a lot of videos covering stuff like these. We call it The Real Jamaica. And we don't want you to miss out on that. I think the fish is telling goodbye. So, that's it. This is indeed The Real Jamaica.